Hello everyone, welcome back for another live. So we're going to be looking at the charts today, seeing what's what. I'm not sure if it's going to be too long of a live today, as the markets look a bit dodgy, very choppy, unpredictable. So we're gonna, analyze, try get something going, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, kick things off. Let me just show you my screen. But as first things first, if you guys want to use the same platform that I do make sure to check out the description. There is a link to the thing that I use. It's called Everdex. Very nice place to trade, very easy. You get like nice rewards and stuff as well for trading. You got like little challenges, earn your little XP stuff, and then claim it for USDT. So yeah, very interesting, very cool. So yeah, if you're looking for a good place to trade or want to trade alongside with me on the same platform I use, then click that link. So we are gonna get some tunes on first. Can't be going on no tunes. So let me just share my screen. Oh no! I am gonna absolutely go crazy. Have we crashed or have we not crashed? Let me have a look. Technical difficulties. That's what a news report would say. But for me, it just looks like a load of BS, because this happens every single time. Like, you try to prevent it, but no, something crashes, you already know how it goes anyway. Media, I need. What do I need? I need screen capture. That would be Mac OS screen capture. Boom. Display capture. Boom. Sorted. Look at that. Fantastic. But now, I've done it. Let's go. I'm an absolute genius. There we go. Frame is fine. Video capture is fine. Leave that there. I'll make myself a little bit smaller so it's not in the way so much. Boom, spot on. I'm right in this little line. There we go. Perfect. Anyway, let's get back to the real business. So that's a actually, you guys can have a look at the chart while I have a look for something that I need. Give me one of these PowerPoints, websites, pages. So we had that epidemic sound before it blew his ass. Like, it's not good at all. Like, you put in music, like, look, we'll go to music, we'll go on like house or something, or it's like electronic, I think it's, and it'll be some rubbish, like what is this? It's like Hindi music or something. What is that? It's like new rubbish every day. You can't win. Oh, this one was good. This one was fine. It's the only fine-ish song that I found, so let me just get everything sorted real quick. Right, let's go on. So we're kind of cooked on capital-wise because we've been doing pretty shocking. Like, looking at that right now, what even is going on? What even is going on? You don't even know. What is all of that? That is trash. That is straight trash. Straight garbage. So, when you're trading, this is literally like probably the worst thing you want to see. Very, you have like the all you really see here is like wicks. It's very wicky, if that's the word. So this is like, say this is the wick, and you have these big. No, that's the body, and then you have these big wicks all over the place. That is not what you want to see. Like, look at these two. Doji there. Very, very volatile. Like, look at that. It just looks like scribbles on a piece of paper. What you want to be seeing is, realistically, kind of something like that. This is a very good example. This is a very nice trend. Look at that. High, low, low, low. Very nice trend. Here is a pretty good support level as well. You see the price kind of jumps off that level. Touches. 4 touches right there. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. Very nice support level. Very nice support level. And then you see the price goes through the support level, but then it touches on the other side. That's what we call mirroring. It's when the price goes through the level, but it uses it again to show that the level is obviously still there and the strength is still there for that level. So you can see exactly, you know, this is that level. So we took the level based off of, let's just say, the bottom will be the peak, the wick of this candle. So if we delete it and just draw it again, that'll be no problem. So we get that, pop it on this candle wick. We have a touch here, this candle. That confirms that level. So that candle says pretty much the level is there, you know, and yeah, well, the level is there, that's pretty much it. We have another one here. The more candles touch the level, the stronger the level. Another one here, and then believe we have a touch, but I mean, when you're looking at support and resistance levels, you want to get the levels that are further apart. So they're like, you know, say the market goes like this, you want to get the ones that are like the furthest, you know. So let me just get rid of it. I mean, it's kind of irrelevant now because I was just, you know, making an example, but still, the price what we're at is right here. This right here is very, very bad, very choppy price. You see the small bodies. You see, there's a lot of small bodies, but very large wicks. That's a weird way to do that. You see these big lines, these are called wicks, tails, wicks, whatever you want to call it. Bigger bodies, small wicks. Another one there. You can see here, not so big body, but very large wicks. Same here. Look at the state of them, massive. This one, huge. Look, that one's practically got no body. It's like small, super small at the top. But you see the price. This is where the price like closed. So the price closed at 66,112. Then it immediately come all the way down, went down here, and then it ended here. And this one kind of did the same thing, went up, probably, I don't even know, up then down, or down then up, and then, you know, the next one forms. So this kind of what we're seeing right here is not very good. Oh my god. Whatever, right. So now, ideally, we want to get some kind of support resistance level, but as I said, might not have you know, as big of a life as we normally do, because I'm just not seeing anything that's worth trading. So, and if you don't see anything, you know, that's worth trading, or so we traded around crazy. I traded around here yesterday. So this movement, so this movement here was kind of like a bear trap, and then that price, it tried to get into that level multiple times, and then it kind of went bit of consolidation. Then it kind of broke through that level, but it didn't actually reach this bottom here. And then a continuation, a little bit of an uptrend there. It'll be more visible in lower time frames, but it's very nice and visible in the 30-minute time frame. You can see a top, top, top. So peak, 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 bottom, 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 and then a bottom here. So it kind of goes in like this: bottom, 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 move. Not my way. These bottom, and then we have the peak here, peak here, peak here. So that's kind of the movement we had. But I kind of did think the price was going to go down yesterday. So it kind of got that liquidity grab, took it here, this area, that's where it got the liquidity, and then it dumped it to a low of 65,395, which is very low. I believe that would have been about a 1.2k trade, if I'm not mistaken. And that was when I was roughly in this area here. But yeah, that's that. Now, what we're currently going to look at is where the price is headed. So realistically, we want to try and predict and, you know, understand where the price wants to go. So betting against the trade, well, not betting, but trading against the trade, or like betting against the market, like you're fighting against the market, it's not very good. The market moves tend to kind of be the same, but you've got to like understand how they actually move. Because if it's happened, say, I don't know, out of these 10 times, this move has happened, I don't know, 8 times out of the 10. There's an 80% chance that it's going to happen, the next time. So that's just, something to keep in mind. If you've got that kind of same setup 10 times, and 8 out of those 10 times, this thing happens, then the 11th time, this exact thing there's like an 80% chance of it happening. So, your chances, well, trading is pretty much just like it's your probabilities, realistically. So we've kind of got a downtrend here. Get that away. Here, and then kind of there. Because you see this peak is still lower than this one, so we can count that as a downtrend. Ideally, you'd be best off getting stopped up there, but now it kind of looks like a uptrend is kind of forming. So if we have a peak here, a low here, and then we can expect another peak around maybe here, which would be about 66,200. And if we were to look on a closer time frame, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It's very messy, especially in this area, but it's still there. If we were to get rid of that and draw it a little bit nicer, then we could have, so there's that peak, there's that peak, there's that bottom, and probably here's that bottom. You can see. So we wouldn't count this area here. We wouldn't count that because this bottom is lower than this bottom. So if we want to see a uptrend, a bullish uptrend, then we have to have the previous low higher than the previous one. So this low is higher than this low, and then this high is higher than this high. Just about. So realistically, right around now, we could expect the next peak to be around somewhere here. So 66,200. So just based off of that, we could take that trade. So 66,200. Not much of a profit, but profit is profit. So just to confirm that, we will go on a 15-minute time frame and have a look if that's correct. So there you go. You kind of understand what I'm talking about here. A low, a high, a high. But yeah, this does count as a high because this is where the price exited. Not exited, but closed. That's where the price closed at this level. So if we were to put that there, that would be more realistic. So you see, this peak is lower than this peak, and then we have this low is higher than this low, so we can expect the next high to be around 62,000, around 66,300. So let's go 66,250. What's happening there then? clocked in a bit late, but we'll have a stop loss of, let's go with 66,750. 66,750. 65,750. 34. Could it come back up to that level? I'm not sure. But it could definitely come back up to about 66,200. So So this price, I can't even think this music's making me go crazy. I feel like I'm in a police chase. Got the sirens on, you know. That's better. Anyway, as I said before, 66. Let me just calculate that price difference. Then we can kind of expect the next peak, where like roughly where it's gonna stop. So we have, we'll drop it on, get a magnet out. So 66,132, 66,132. 66,017. 66. Right. Okay, so 66,132, 66,132, take away 66,017. 115 points. So price now. So pretty much what we'd do, just like an average, just an estimate. So from this peak now, it's 66,132. We add that 115. 66,132 plus, what do we have? 115. 66,247. That's pretty much where I thought it was going to be. I had 66,250. So if we put 66,250, that'll be pretty much bang on. And we'll do a 1 to 2 for that stop loss. So it'll be just at that previous low, which will be pretty accurate. This was kind of like a Rocket League song. Anyway, feeling a bit tense, not gonna lie. So now we're currently kind of waiting for that trade to go through. It is very choppy. You can look at that. That is just horrific. So that's where I am expecting that third peak. It kind of is on an uptrend, on a bullish move. Very like bad price movement at the minute, but still, know, it is what it is. Like this is just garbage, honestly garbage. What you want to see in a 1 minute time frame is most likely peaks, lows, peaks and lows. Not some of this, it's a paranormal candle. Like you want to see the price jumping from level to level. That's like the perfect scenario. Well, not the perfect, but yeah, you want it to, you know, kind of keep in a level, kind of just staying in it, and but yeah, what have we currently got going on? There's still room for that bottom to obviously even out a little bit, but I strongly believe that it's not going to go past this previous low. I mean, that's the previous low. If I remember that correctly. Yes. So if it does come past these candle wicks here, then it might be in for a bit of trouble. But as you can see, the market is not too friendly at the minute. Very unpredictable. You can't really, you know, understand what's going on with it. I won't be surprised if we do get a closed out by this trade here. As this was just like, you know, estimating. There is kind of like a good signal that the trend will continue, but we will see. Price is moving very sus. Very sus. So realistically, we'd expect about maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour for that trade to, you know, go through. Ideally, you know, we want to be a bit more flexible than that, but it is what it is. Now this place needs to be shut down, I swear. Like I'm at some German rave or something. Yeah, this one was the worst. This is like my top 3 worst songs. It's like when a haunted house. I will do it. Go with that. Need to stop moaning at the music. So yeah, like I did say at the start. So we're not going to get too much trades on today. You know, by the looks of the market, it looks. You can be the judge if you know what trading is about, what the market should look like, what a good market does look like, and so on. Because that looks very, very bad. I mean, it's not the best time to be trading either, but we do what we can. So as for Bitcoin, choppy. Probably the rest are going to be the same. Like you got Ethereum. Ethereum is actually pretty good. That looks very healthy. A bit of, you know, a bit of hellish movement there. Nice bullish move up. Looks like a downtrend for Ethereum, not gonna lie. So we could expect a peak forming at the next candle or even at this candle. So for Bitcoin, how are we looking? We're looking pretty bad. Not gonna lie, we're looking pretty bad. 1, 2. I'm not too sure. Looking a bit unpredictable. That's level that Ethereum could struggle to even go through. I mean, it's a downtrend, but still. So we have hypothetically, that's candle. So now price will approximately come to here somewhere, like there somewhere. I knew it. So if Bitcoin was to create a low like we have drawn out there, then for Ethereum it would kind of look I don't know, I don't really see much of a structure for a move upwards for Ethereum. It could, you know, come to this level, not have enough to go through it, and then it could go back up to that previous peak that we talked about. Normally you'll go through about 2 or 3. That's like just talking, you know, strength wise. It normally goes through the first one pretty nicely, not too much you know, problem. The second one has a bit of trouble getting through, and then the third one, it's a bit stronger. So yeah. So there's a very big candle there, as you can see. The market has just pushed through. Now it's gone through our what's the word? Our entry level. So our entry level was at 65,966, and currently it's at 66,005. So that candle was very strong, kind of pushed through pretty hard. So as you can see, this big candle here. So now, realistically, we expect that to move up, because now it looks as if this bottom has actually bottomed out. Be very good. But like I said, market structure not too fancy, not too good. It's not good at all. So you can see this is a previous peak. This is where it kind of struggles a little bit to carry on with that trend. So if I were to be magnet, it would be around, it would be around here. See, that candle touches that level. And the next one would be around there. So you see that candle touches, and that's a false breakout, and we could expect either push through, have a bit of trouble, push through, or it doesn't quite have enough momentum and comes back down bearish. So that's that. The next level will be this peak here, and then after that, most likely here somewhere. If not, then this is the next area to watch for. So that's just for Ethereum when asleep. But Bitcoin, yeah, kind of same really. This is the previous peak, having a bit of trouble, trying to get through it. You can see wick wise, it hasn't gone through at all. Oh my days. False break, or true break that we can just see now. So like I said, it'll either have a bit of trouble getting through, like it'll dance around it a little bit, like go through like that, down, down, and then it could go through, or it could show that the level, false break through that level, like we have on this candle here, and then it could go back down bearish. But I don't think it will go through. Where we were expecting that peak. So for those peaks, we kind of took an average of the price movement, and what I said was about 250. So the points movement from the previous peak and the other peak, the higher peak, is about 150 points. So just as an estimate for that third and final peak of the trend, I kind of expected roughly those 115 points, so that would put us at that 66,250. So we got the 115 points. We added that to the previous peak, which was here. I think it was about 66,135. That adds up. So just a reminder for you guys, if you're looking for a place to trade, you can definitely either trade on sites with me, or you know, if you're looking for a new place to trade, then this is definitely for you. So we have the link for the broker and the exchange in the description below. So if you fancy it, then make sure to check it out. What is this, a Wild West or a Wild West? So we've got to do copyright-free music on this Epidemic Sounds, otherwise we kind of get like banned-ish. Well, we'll just get warnings and stuff, and then the videos don't even get out, and the lives don't even go ahead. So it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. You see the price is kind of on the on an upwards move at the minute. There is a bit of resistance, you can see short position wise. There are a bit of like it's a bit of a challenge. You know, the price is kind of jumping about pretty rapidly. But yeah, I'm expecting it to come up to that level, and that would create kind of that, you know, that uptrend, that final peak of that uptrend. Very strange formations on the market though, not gonna lie. Because like this area doesn't even make sense. We've got a peak, but then we kind of have a peak. Well, what would say this one, but we've got kind of like a double downtrend. So we've got one here, and then here, there, and then the bottom of this. And then it's like, let's say an uptrend, you can see one here, and then down here. So yeah, that'll be fine. Well, you could realistically, if you wanted to, one there, and then one at the bottom of the row here. So that makes sense. Then this bottom now being valid. So this is kind of the downtrend we've got going on. Top, bottom, and then a mini top and a mini bottom. And it still makes sense because this high is obviously lower than this one, and this bottom is lower than okay, this bottom is lower than this bottom, making it a downtrend. It's small over here, but the downtrend is still there. So kind of rounding off at the minute by the looks of things. So it's kind of evening out at this area here. It's kind of following kind of this shape of this line I've kind of drawn. So we'd see potentially a peak, and then another peak, which would be great. Buy a license? I'm not buying a license. I'm trying to like get some good tunes on because this shit is bad. Apology for a bit of swearing, but I feel like, you know, you're all grown adults, you can handle it a bit, but still, I want to get some good music on because this is like, it's meh, innit? It's meh. But yeah, apparently you have to buy a license for popular music. You use famous songs, but only if you buy a license. Usually requires a sync license for video use, master license for recordings. This can be expensive and complex. Platform provided. Heads go on, heads are shared. Platform approved music, TikTok, Instagram. Best for social media posts. That's not relevant to me, so. If we were to go on this, I'm kind of just waiting on this trade. It's kind of taking a bit longer than anticipated. There's a bit of resistance there. See, a bit of like a little peak. Wait a second. Oh my days. That is crazy. Claim music as your own, upload the track by itself, use it as TV ads, films, or big commercial projects without extra permission. And now we're going to be playing a little bit of NCS because this is not doing it for me. So, without further ado, let's hit NCS. Oh my days. This is like holy grail of music. Best songs. Top 50 best songs. Oh. I feel like I've just time traveled back into 2018. Trading is going to be just crazy now.
Hold me close till I get up.
So much better.
Time is barely
like,
on our side.
It just hits different. You
I don't
know
wanna
the
waste
songs.
what's
You
left.
know when you're sat there
The
and
storms we chase are
the songs are
leading
not
us,
hitting. You don't
and
know
love
what.
is
It's
all
just
we'll
like,
ever
it's just noise.
trust.
It's not really pleasant, you know
No,
what I'm
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
saying? That may look
highways.
like about like 1 minute to me. So it's not looking too great. It's having trouble breaking that level, you can see. See, it touches that one. When it touched that on the price, touches that one.
Finding life turns to sun rays, and
It's even an uptrend,
we'll go
or these are just false breaks.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and
And if we were to look at something else like
see the horizon, turn us to thousands,
we are
and
now
we'll
going to try
grow
and
in
find ourselves
number.
a nice
Fueled by
resistance
them to see the horizon.
down a little bit. Smash it anyway.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
I believe that is the best we can do as of now. We kind of got one there as well. Let me just pop that on. So where's it looking? Here. See, this candle touches. It kind of shows at the level it's there, but that's only a 5-minute time frame. If we're to look at a 15-minute time frame, they're just playing for those resistance levels. Top one resistance level, bottom one is a support level. So, and now if we were to look at a wider time frame,
trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
this could be the price hitting a support level, but we can confirm that. We could expect the price to kind of come to this kind of level here, but it's too soon to tell. But yeah, we've got a very interesting structure going on. It's not too predictable. Like, it's very hard to interpret where the price is headed.
ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying
I mean, that's kind of the best we could
your
have.
soul.
Like,
We are heroes
nothing else.
tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly
I
above
don't understand why it's
the
like not
sky.
showing up. Say if you've got a 5-minute level here, and then I go back to the 1-minute time frame. And then I've got to find it again at every time frame, then they get piled up, which is kind of crazy. We'll do 15 first. Last Bitcoin, we need Solana.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
The thing is, like, for a
trying to protect
resistance
your
level,
soul.
when you're looking for that top level, you need a bullish candle to confirm that level. Let's look at trade. Yeah, it's kind of on that same level, but anyway.
It's like a do not disturb setting for your mind, and it gets you focused in just 5 minutes. Using science.
This is an OG edit. This is like what the music you'd use back in the day to gym edit. Those 2017 gym edits. Pretty unmatched in my opinion. So we're going to go to trading view to get those levels, to get that key level. Realistically, we could also be for a downtrend, and that would make us, we would then need to realistically get a trend line, and then it would look something like that. Big fan, but it's funny. Yeah, it's kind of broken through, but I feel like these songs are just a bit corny, but it's better than listening to that whatever that was earlier on. So there's two scenarios that this could go. We could have a shrinking flag where the price gets squeezed, you see, hits the levels, shows that levels are there, and can it get squeezed until we either see a breakout, bullish or bearish. And in this case, we most likely see a bearish breakout. How also the price gets squeezed without multiple taps on the arm. For 1 minute. You can kind of see what I'm talking about now. You see the price hits that level multiple times. There. So the level is there. Like the level is precise. It's not just a random line in the chart. So it's actually got something. Maybe we're not drawing it as accurate as we could. Say if we get there, then that line should get there. Based off of that, we can expect the price to either keep accumulating, kind of shrinking and shrinking until we get a breakout. So the direction I mentioned was I believe call it bearish. This is not your time low. level that we had. Let's just go 1 minute to confirm it. So maybe not. Let me get that. I don't know why it just kind of misclicked that whole thing. I comment to play before. Too bothered. So precise level, I'd say. So we went based off of this candle bottom left, and then you see that the price, we've got one candle there, one candle there, and then kind of like a mirror here. This candle goes to that level and shows us that the level is all. So when we go to 1 minute. See that the price is accumulating in that light. Bouncing off that level, bouncing off that level. Got a false break here, and then it's still at that same level. Expect the very slow moving. We can expect a downtrend. So a peak here, bottom here, peak here, bottom here, peak here, and then a bottom at this support level. Or we could expect the price to continue, bounce off its resistance level, and then continue for a downwards move towards the support level. But for Bitcoin, there we go, better sight to see. So I was correct. It took a bit of time for the market to get moving, but you can see how volatile it currently is, and how choppy all that movement is, so you kind of get the idea. It's like a longer, it's like a wider one, but it's still doesn't move. So it's a bit of a larger peak, a bottom. Because this is a peak, a top is a peak and a bottom is a bottom, so
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Don't say you're on the run to the other side.
As you can see, Bitcoin very, very choppy price action.
You say you
No
wanna
trading.
try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
I believe it would be better if we were to close for tonight and give it a rest, and then tomorrow start fresh, new life, new
You
match.
say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a
As always,
reason
thank you
why
everyone
we
for watching,
lose.
and I'll see you in the next one. But before you go, make sure to check out the link in the description below if you're looking to get into trading, or if you're not sure what platform to use, then definitely I would highly recommend Everdex as the platform, which is well, obviously the same platform I use daily, day in, day out. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. My updates on a daily frame. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all